If you want to add the chicken, I have chicken wings here in cooking in broth with chopped onion. And then after this is completely cooked, we just take the bones off and add it to our vegetarian dish that I showed you. This one has roasted chopped yellow squash. It's roasted in the oven for 45 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit, and then chopped raw onion and different herbs. You could use mint and parsley and cilantro or anything that you can get a hold of, salt, pepper. And then if you want to make it with chicken, you just add chicken to it. Otherwise, this is vegetarian. You add some olive oil or some avocado oil to it.